In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple columns in Notion. Being able to place content side by side in Notion is really useful for organizing your pages. You might want text next to an image, a task list beside notes, or multiple databases lined up in a clean layout. Columns let you do exactly that, and the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. First, open the Notion page where you want to create your columns. Click into the page so that you see the blinking text cursor. Now, instead of just typing normally, you're going to use one of Notion's slash commands. Type // followed immediately by the word column. As you start typing column, Notion will show you a list of options related to columns. You'll see suggestions like column, 2 columns, 3 columns, and sometimes more, depending on the version of Notion you're using. This is Notion's way of helping you quickly create layouts without dragging blocks around manually. Take a moment to look at the options and think about what you need for your layout. For example, if you're planning a simple comparison, 2 columns might be enough. If you're building a dashboard, you might prefer 3 or more. Next, use your mouse or trackpad to select how many columns you want. Simply click on the option that matches your desired layout, such as 2 columns or 3 columns. As soon as you click, Notion will automatically create empty column blocks on your page. You'll now see multiple vertical areas side by side, each ready for content. From here, you can start typing directly into any of the columns, or you can drag existing blocks into them. To move an existing block, hover over it until you see the 6-dot handle on the left, then drag it into the column where you want it to appear. Notion will highlight the drop area, making it clear where the block will land. If you change your mind about the layout later, don't worry. You can always drag the edges of the columns to adjust their widths, or move blocks back out into a single column layout. The slash command just gives you a fast starting point, and that's all there is to it. Type your column, choose how many columns you need, and then fill them with your content. With this simple technique, you can make your Notion pages look cleaner, more organized, and much easier to scan at a glance.